Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Longse recorder device to your mobile phone and view footage and images from your CCTV using a mobile app. So the first thing we need to do is we need to connect the Longse recorder device to your Wi-Fi router. Now, in order for this to work, there needs to be a direct connection, so we can't have any Wi-Fi extenders. The router and the recorder device have to be directly connected. I'm going to share my screen with you so that we can do this setup together. So the first page that you're going to come across is the Boot Wizard setup page, and here we need to click on next step, and then you're going to have your user login name. So this is actually the default login name, so that's admin, and the password is 1 2 3 4 5. And then you can modify the password later. So you'll come across the general settings page, which is device settings and date settings. So this is all fine, and we can click on next step. On the network page, we need to ensure that DHCP is enabled. So the green tick indicates that it is, and then if there's no green tick, that will indicate that it's not enabled. Okay. And then we can confirm and exit the Boot Wizard. So we can right click here and we can go into menu. Now from this menu page we need the configuration, and on the left hand side we need to click on network. So we can double check here again that DHCP is enabled, but what we actually want is P2P. So once you click on P2P, you'll come across the barcodes that we can use. Now we have to also ensure that P2P is also enabled. So I'm now going to actually share with you my mobile screen. Okay. So I'm going to be demonstrating this using an iPhone, but you can tailor it to whichever device you'll be using. So we need to go into the App Store, and we need to download BitVision. So that's BitVision, and this is what it will look like. So I've already downloaded it, but once you're downloaded, this is the page you'll come across. So as you can see, we haven't logged in at the moment. So we need to first register. I already have registered, but I'm going to take you through it step by step. So you need to input a mailbox. So this is your personal email address, and then you need to come up with your own password and you need to confirm your password. Now the final stage of this is that you need to retrieve a Captcha Code. So over here on the right hand side, there's a little button that you can press for sending authorization code. So obviously I can't do it right now because my username is empty, but if you click this, it will generate a code for you to your email directly, and once you've entered everything, you can actually register. So once you've registered, you can log into the device, and what we want to do now is add the CCTV device. So as you can see, I don't have any devices at the moment, but there's a little plus sign at the bottom left hand corner, and then we can click on S and add. That's the easiest way to add this, and then we can show it up to the screen. So now we can name the device. This could be any name, so I'm just going to put CCTV, but you can obviously put any name you like, and then we can put in the username and password. Now the username and password, unless you've changed it, would still be admin and 1 2 3 4 5, which is the default password. Admin is case sensitive, so it all has to be in lowercase. And then we need to enter a Captcha Code. Now the Captcha Code is found in 2 different locations. The first location is on the box from the device that you purchased, so there's a little label. If you've forgotten the box or you've thrown it away, that's absolutely fine. On the bottom of the Longse recorder device, the same sort of sticker you can find with the Captcha Code. So I'm just going to enter this now. Again, this is case sensitive, so please enter it as exactly as you see it. Okay, so this will hopefully bind, which it has. So what we want to do now is we want to go, click on the middle and actually add our camera. And we can select which camera you want. I'm just going to select all of them for now. And there you have it. So here you've got the option to look in real time and playback, and you've got a little tab at the bottom where you can adjust it to different time frames. So in the next video I'm going to talk to you a bit more about how you can use the app.